This is the universal module, which includes the button battery compartment and spark generator in one product. We can test the module by dropping in a AA or AAA battery positive side up and pressing the button. The spades will spark to one another. Below the button is a plastic nut that is used to mount the spark generator to the control panel. Simply push the battery compartment threads through the control panel, tighten the nut, and then install the battery and thread the button. In this 27-inch Solaire, there are 2 electrodes that mount to the front inside firewall. Our module has 4 outlets to attach up to 4 electrodes, but all 4 spades have to be attached. If we leave 1 or 2 spades naked, they will arc against the wired spades and short the module so the electrodes do not spark. We can jump the spades to one another, but we are going to ground them inside the control panel because this makes the ignition assembly more reliable. The Solaire has a bolt on a support strut for the ground, but you can use any steel bolt as a ground. We are attaching both of the extra module outlets to a single bolt inside the control panel. Once both wires are attached to be grounded, we plug the wires into the spark generator. It does not matter which spades we use because they are all the same. Plug in the ground wires and then plug in the 2 electrode wires. All 4 outlets have to have an attachment and all the attachments have to be tight. With all the electrodes plugged in, the control panel will be too close to lay down and an extra set of hands can be useful. Once all the electrodes are plugged in and the extra spades either jumped to one another or grounded, we can replace the control panel. Replace the control knobs, turn on the gas, and we have ignition again. Occasionally, if the ignition has not worked in a long time, the electrodes will need to be adjusted, but we'll cover that in another video. For additional information, replacement grill parts, or service schematics and manuals, contact Majestic Grill